Good morning, Glenn, and thank you for meeting with me today. Before we commence our interviews for the Assistant Administration position, I would like to take the time to run through a few things. First of all, equal employment opportunities and anti-discrimination laws. The employer has a legal responsibility to ensure that no unlawful discrimination occurs in the recruitment and selection process on the grounds of sex, race, disability, age, sexual orientation, marriage, pregnancy, and religion or belief. Equal employment opportunity is an important part of the recruitment process and selection. Now I'd like to run through our selection criteria sheets. Each candidate will be asked the same questions and be fairly marked accordingly. This will let us compare apples with apples. The questions are designed to find out more about work history, education, training, and personality. Once the candidate has finished answering the questions, a number from 1 to 4 will be scored. 1 is does not satisfy, 2 partially satisfy, 3 satisfy, and 4 fully satisfy. These are our selection criteria sheets. At the top it has Preveley Caravan Park, Assistant Administration and candidate name. These will be our questions down the side here and our rating from 1 to 4. Once the interview is completed, we will have 20 minutes before the next candidate arrives for his or her interview. This time in between needs to be used to complete the summary of the candidate's presentation, confidence, knowledge, attitude, and first impression. That will be in this section down the bottom here. Once completed all the interviews of all the shortlist candidates, we will then sit down and tally up all the scores combined with each person on the selection panel's summary and select the successful candidate to join our team here at Preveley Caravan Park. When the applicant arrives for the interview, we'll want them to feel comfortable and welcome. We will stand to greet them and introduce ourselves and our position in the company. Once the interview commences, please be aware to maintain eye contact, keep expressions neutral, do not prompt the application, listen carefully and take notes, rephrase the question if the applicant is unclear, and allow time for the applicant to respond. When all the questions are completed, we will then explain the next step in the process, thank the applicant and explain the time frame of when we'll be making contact with them again.